Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 28, How to Add Videos and Images to Your Blog Posts. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add videos and images to your blog posts. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Posts. Here you can see all your posts. Choose a post and Edit option. Here is your full post, and move the pointer to the position where you want to insert media. Now choose this Add Media button on top. It will open your media library, and you can upload new files in it from Upload Files tab. So back to the media library. Select one file from it and click on Insert into Post button. So your image is inserted on decided position. Click on the image and then on this Edit button. Set display settings from here, alignment and size, and then click on the Update button. So the image is set, then click on the Update button on the right. Now view your post by clicking on this View Post link. So now you can see the image is inserted into the post. For video, first set media alignment from the top editing bar. Choose Media Position and click on Center Alignment button. Go to this Text tab, and here, right on this position, you can see the text alignment is set to center. Now let's get the video from YouTube. On YouTube, we will select a video. Play it, and below you'll see a Share option. Click on it. Choose this Embed icon, and you'll get embedding code. Copy it from here. Go back to WordPress and paste it before p tag like this. Now go back to Visual, and you can see your video is inserted here successfully. Click on Update. Go back to Post and refresh it. You'll see the post is updated with the video. You can also play the video. Click on this play button and the video is working just fine. So that's how you can insert images and videos to your posts. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the static pages. See you in the next video tutorial.